Instead of 2, they have given 3, 7, 8, 9. Find out the return and portfolio made up of 75% and 25%. It is 60 sigma R. R mean is equal to sigma R divided by N. So if the probability is given, it is called ex ante return, we say. It's a ex post way because no portfolio is given. This is minus 12 divided by 12. R is equal to minus R is equal to minus 1. Hello, my dear student. Very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence, MYSURU. I am going to handle Financial Management 4, FM4, 6th semester, Unit 5, Session 3 in favor of B.B.A. Today we are going to discuss portfolio risk and return. When you take that, when you want to return, there must be more risk. More risk, more return, we are going to find out portfolio management, diversification of security. Put the security in mutual fund, put the security in fixed deposit, and other items are considered as the portfolio management. So we'll move on to problem now. So problem is given. Year 2011, 2008, 24%, 36%, 28%, 24%. Find that the expected return portfolio made up of. So when the probability is not given, it is called ex post return. So if the probability is given, it is called ex ante return, we say. It's a ex post way because no portfolio is given. So instead of expected return, we call this word as called average return. So security L returns 24, 36. Add the figure. It is 60 sigma R. R mean is equal to sigma R divided by N. 60 divided by 2 is 30. Take the deviation now. RL minus R mean L. You call this as dx. 24, 30 means minus 6. 36, 30 means plus 6. Dx square. This is 36. 36, 72. Sigma dx square. 72. Apply here. Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma dx square divided by n, root of 72 divided by 2, root of 36. It is 6%. This goes in favor of L. Then security M returns 28, 24, 28, 24. Add the figure. It is sigma R is equal to 52. R mean is equal to sigma R divided by N. This is 52 divided by 2. It is 26. What is the average? Then you take dy, but 26. 28, 26 is plus 2. This is minus 2. Dy square. 4, 4, 16. Dy square. Then standard deviation is equal to root of dy square divided by root of, what is dy square? 16 divided by your 6. This is 4 plus 4. 8. Your dy square is equal to 8 divided by 2. That's the root of 4. That is equal to 2%. This is the standard division of M. This is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2% is there. Then, there. So you have got a standard deviation, you have got the dy square is there. The question they ask, portfolio return 60%, 40%. Weight of A 0.60, weight of B 0.40. So return on portfolio RP, it is called return on portfolio, weightage of A or mean of A, first one, weightage of B or mean of B, second one. So what's the first weightage? 0.60 into, what's the mean of first one? 30 plus 0.40 into mean of second one, 26. So 0.60 into 30, 0.60 into 30, 18 plus 0.40 into 26, 10.4, 28.4. Then what's the question they ask? This is over covariance. First formula, sigma dx dy divided by n. So you find out the dx dy. We'll go with the dx. What's your dx? dl. This is minus 6 plus 6. What's your dy? 2 plus 2 minus 2. dx dy. 6 2s are minus 12. This is minus 12 at sigma dx dy minus 24. What's your covariance? dx dy minus 24 divided by 2 is minus 12. Then correlation is equal to covariance divided by standard deviation L into standard deviation M. What's your covariance? Minus 12 divided by, what is your standard deviation of L? 6 into 2. This is minus 12 divided by 12. R is equal to minus 1. So we find out that. Then what is the question they ask? Portfolio risk. Portfolio risk they are asking. They are asking the portfolio risk. What's the formula? So what's the weightage they have given? 70% L, 30% M. Weightage of L 0.70, weightage of M 0.30. Apply formula. Standard deviation square is equal to root of W L whole square into standard deviation L whole square plus W M whole square into standard deviation M whole square plus 2 into WL standard deviation L WM standard deviation M into R is equal to root of WL 0.70 whole square into standard deviation L. Standard deviation L is 6 whole square plus 0.30 whole square into standard deviation M 2 whole square plus 2 into weightage 0.70 into standard deviation L is 6 into 0.30. Standard deviation is 2 into R is minus 1. This is root of, slowly we can do, 0.70 into 0.70, 0.49 into 36 plus 0.30 into 0.30, 0.09 into 4 plus 2 into 0.70 into 6 into 0.30 into 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 5.04. Root of this 0.49 into 36, 17.64, 0.09 into 4, 0.36 minus 5.04. Add this 17.64 plus 0.36 is equal to 18 minus 5.04, 12.96, 12.96. Root of this 3.6%. Hope you understand this. 3.6%. We'll move on to next problem. Same type. Instead of 2, they have given 3, 7, 8, 9. Find out the return and portfolio made up of 75% and 25%. Standard deviation correlation between X and Y. So we'll go one by one. Return X, security X, returns. What are the returns are? 7, 8, 10. So 10 plus 18 plus 7, 25. This is sigma R. R mean is equal to sigma R divided by N. 25 divided by 3. 25 divided by 3. 8.33. Then here dx, deviation, Rx, R mean X. 7 minus 8.33 minus 1.33. 8 minus 8.33 minus 0.33. 10 minus 8.33, 1.67. Square of this, dx square, 1.33 into 1.33, 1.7689, 0.33 into 0.33, 0.1089, 1.67 into 1.67, 2.7889, 2.7889 plus 0.1089 plus 1.7689. 4 point sigma dx square 4.6667. Here 8.33. Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma dx square divided by n root of 4.6667 divided by 2. This is equal to root of 2.3333 root of this 1.53 percentage. This goes in favor of security X. Then security Y. Then what are the returns are? 24, then 36, 30, add the figure, 90, sigma R. R mean is equal to sigma R divided by N. This is 90 divided by 3 is 30. Take the deviation now, dy, that's equal to 30. 24, 30 means minus 6. This is plus 6. This is 0. dy square, 36, 36, 0. This is 72. This is your dy squared. Then standard deviation is equal to root of sigma dy square divided by n root of 72 divided by 2 root of 36. Root of 36 is 6%. So we have find out the standard deviation also. Security X and security Y. Then return on portfolio R mean, first one, R mean X, WX, R mean Y, WY. So weight is given how much? 75%, 25%. So when you say that 75% means 0.75 for WX, 25, 0.25. This is for WY. Apply. WX is 0.75 into mean of RX, 8.33 plus 0.25 mean of Y, 930 multiply 0.75 into 0.75 into 8.33 6.2475 plus 0.25 into 0 7.5 plus 6.2475 13.75%. So this goes to return on portfolio. Then what he required? Covariance, dx, dy, dx, dy. What's the deviation of x, deviation of y? Deviation of x minus 1.33, deviation of y point minus 0.33, 1.67. Deviation of y, this is deviation of x. Then deviation of y, minus 6 plus 6, 0. 1.33 into 6, 7.98. Minus into minus, plus 0.33 into 6, minus 1.98. This is 0. Deduct. This is 6. Sigma dx dy. Covariance is equal to sigma dx dy divided by n. This is 6 divided by 2. This is 3. Then R is equal to covariance divided by standard deviation x, standard deviation y. What's your covariance? 3 divided by, what is standard deviation x? Standard deviation of x is 1.53 into standard deviation of y, 6. 3 divided by 1.53 into 6. 2 point standard deviation of 6. Here 1.53 standard deviation of x. Standard deviation another is 6. 1.53 into 6. 1.6, 9.18. I repeat, 3 divided by 9.18. See the board? What is your standard deviation of x? 1.53. Standard deviation of y, 6%. So this is 1.53 into 6, 9.98. So 3 divided by 9.18, 0.33. So weight. Then last one, risk on portfolio. Standard deviation P is equal to root of W, which are the x now, xy is there, W x square into standard deviation x whole square, W y whole square into standard deviation y whole square plus 2 into Wx, Wy, standard deviation x into R. This is equal to root of, what's your Wx weight is how much? 75, separate is given? No, 75%. 0.75 whole square into standard deviation x, 1.53 whole square plus weightage of y, 0.25 whole square into standard deviation of y, 6 whole square plus 2 into 0.75 into 0.25 into 1.53 into 6 into R is 0.33. See that? Wx whole square, standard deviation x whole square wy square standard deviation y square 2 into wx into wy into standard deviation x standard deviation into r. This is root of 0.75 into 0.75, 0.5625 into 1.53 into 1.53, 2.3409. This is one group. 0.25 into 0.25, 0.0625 into 36 plus 2 into 0.75 into 0.25 into 1.53 into 6 into 0.33. 1.1360. So simplify this. Root of this 0.5625 into 2.3409. 1.3174 plus 0.0625 into 36, 2.25 plus 1.1360. 2.25 plus 1.1360 plus 1.3174. 4 root of 4.7034. Simplify this. Root of this 2.17%. Wait. Hope you understand this. This is a very good problem we have solved here. See that risk on portfolio we have solved here. Hope you understand this. So we have solved the problem very slowly. We'll meet in the next class with another session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.